Setting up a local server doesn't have to be confusing. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to download and install XAMPP server on Windows 11. First, open your favorite browser. Head over to Google and type in XAMPP download, then hit enter. From the search results, click on the first official website, apachefriends.org. Once you're on the download page, you'll see options for Windows, Linux, and Mac. Since we're using Windows, that's the section we'll focus on. I recommend downloading the latest version of XAMPP, so go ahead and click the download button under Windows. The download should start automatically. If it doesn't, just click here, and you'll see another button to download XAMPP. In my case, the download has already started. Now, let's wait for it to finish. When the download is finished, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saves files. Double-click the XAMPP installer file. You may see a warning message pop up. Just click OK. The setup wizard will appear. Click Next to continue. I recommend leaving all the checkboxes selected, so click Next again. For the installation path, I'll keep the default location and then hit Next. For language, I'll choose English, then click Next. Click Next once more, and the installation will begin. This process might take a little while.
75 years later.
Great! The installation is now complete. If you want to open the XAMPP control panel right away, keep the checkbox ticked and click Finish. Here's the XAMPP control panel. From here, you can start or stop Apache MySQL and other services. Let's test it out. I'll start both Apache and MySQL services. You'll notice the green indicators showing that they're running. To confirm our installation, open your browser and type in localhost. You should see the XAMPP welcome page, which means everything is working perfectly. You can also access phpMyAdmin from the navigation menu. This is where you can manage your databases and tables. You've successfully downloaded and installed XAMPP server on Windows 11. Like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.